Roadmap to Success and Happiness. Chapter 27. Medium and Style of Cooking. I feel a recipe is only a theme which an intelligent cook can play each time with a variation. While raw foods are good to eat, the best form for maximum nutritional benefit is light cooking, and the healthiest medium of cooking is olive oil. Next are the oils low in saturated fat, like sunflower seed oil and corn oil. Butter and saturated fats should be avoided. Fats found in baked products like cakes and biscuits must be guarded against. They contain trans fats that are the most damaging to health. The notion that food needs plenty of oil to make it tasty is incorrect. Food should be cooked in minimum oil. To avoid excess oil while frying, stir fry in a non-stick pan with just a sprinkle of oil. Alternatively, you can steam food. Steam cooking not only eliminates the need for oil, but also preserves nutrients. While baking white meat or vegetables, cut them into chunks so that moisture is not lost. If the recipe requires them to be cut thin, cover and bake or cook to retain the moisture. This form of cutting and cooking enhances health benefits. The fresher the food, like vegetables, fruits, and meats, the greater its nutritional content. Hence, it is worth the extra money spent for greater freshness. Cooking is an art, and you should learn to cook tasty food using the right ingredients. How to cook is as important as what to cook.